never hear about a real victory where Africa is concerned, right? But I got a sense of pride when I learned that Ethiopia is the only country that was not colonized by the Europeans.
The film Black Lions, Roman Wolves is about the second Italian invasion into Ethiopia in 1935. So this was 40 years after they were defeated in Adwa in 1896, and the children were coming to avenge the losses of their fathers.
ዘጋቢ ፊልም ነው። ምን ያህል ተከፈለበት ወይ ምን ያህል ነው የሚሰራው ጋሻ ሊዛ ፊልም ላይ ብለሽ ከጠየቅሽኝ ሁሌ ሳይው እየሰራ ነው ጋሻ። ይሄ ፊልም ከ25 ዓመት በላይ ወይም ወደ 30 ዓመት የሚጠጋ ያህል ጊዜ ሲሰራ ነበር። መስራት ሲባል ያቁጭ ብሎ ኮምፒውተር ላይ ኤዲት ላይ ማድረጉን ብቻ ሳይሆን የሚያናገራቸውን ታሪኮችን የሚናገሩ ሰዎችን ማግኘት
because it's a compilation of footage that he filmed himself, footage that he had to source from archives and put it together. You're going to see a lot of unseen footage. I mean, you may have heard someone speak on it, you may have read a book on it, but to actually see the warriors, to actually hear the war chants, to actually see, you know, the atrocities.
አንድ ሰው ለሚወደው ነገር ወይም ለስራ ለማየት ፈልጋለሁ ለሚለው ነገር የሚከፈለው መስዋዕትነት የጥግ እንደሚደርስ እንግዲህ ልኩን አይቻለሁ በነይታ እና በጣም ብዙ መስዋዕትነትን እየከፈለ ያለበት ፊልም ነው። ጥቁር አንበሳ የሮማ ተክላ እስካሁን ድረስ ወጪውን ሙሉ ሸፍኖ የተንቀሳቀሰ ያለው ራሱ ጋሻሌና ቤተሰቦቹ ናቸው።
Black Lions, Roman Wolves is about the refusal for Ethiopians to submit to foreign invasion and colonialism. It's the refusal of black people to submit to total domination from Europeans.
It speaks to the heart of every man, woman, child, right to be free, to have ownership of their humanity. So there's a lot of things that you can learn from a film like that, and you should support that because that film is also about you.
ታሪካቸውን ማንነታቸውን ምስላቸውን በሚያኮራ በሚያገዝፍ መንገድ ያሳየናል። እኛ የታሪክ ጨዋታ ላይ እንደ ኳስ ያጫውቱናል እንጂ የታሪክ ዋና ተሰላፊ ወይም የታሪክ ዋና ነጋሪዎች አይደለንም። ይሄኛው ፊልም ግን ታሪክን አይደለም የኢትዮጵያን የዓለምን ታሪክ በራሳችን መነጽር በራሳችን አይን ማየትን ያሳየን ነው።